Getting website clients has never been easier. I'm going to show you a simple strategy that I've used and seen others use successfully. This strategy involves selling websites on a monthly recurring basis. Highlevel has many features and automations, but let's focus on one that can earn you $200 to $500 per month. I'll also teach you an outreach strategy to get clients for this service. We'll craft an email together for outreach. Before we dive in, I'm offering you a complimentary automated system, Highlevel, along with access to all my automations. With these tools, you'll be able to replicate the exact processes I'm using. So what I've basically done is come up with a plan where I use easy-to-copy templates for everything to bring in viewers. Whether it's making videos or writing emails, I've got it all set up so you can just copy and paste. Everything you need to start today is right here, no fancy stuff. It's all about keeping things simple and straightforward so anyone can get going without any hassle. So, before we jump into things, could you do me a favor? Drop a yes in the comments. First, go into your Highlevel account and pick a website template. Choose a niche. For example, I like the finance consulting services template. We're going to fully build this website for a specific niche, like roofers. Customize every service and paragraph to fit this niche. If you don't know how to create content quickly, I have another video on building websites in a day. But honestly, you can do this in a few hours. Build the home page and leave the logo option at the top. Once you've fully built it out, go to a website called Phantom Buster. I've used it before, but there are many other free Chrome extensions and Google My Business data extractors you can use. This one is paid, but I have the most experience with it. Phantom Buster allows you to get data from Google Maps. For example, type Roofer Las Vegas and scroll down to more businesses. You'll see many roofing businesses in Las Vegas. With this extension, you can export the data into a CSV file. This makes it easy to start contacting these businesses. Here's the big problem. Businesses get many cold calls and emails from people trying to sell services without offering value. They promise more leads, appointments, and automations, but don't provide real value. Instead, you should give something upfront, teach them something new, or show them their competitors. This makes you stand out and keeps you in their mind for future needs. When you contact these businesses, start by offering useful information. For example, you can show them how their competitors are doing better. This gets their attention and builds trust. Once they see you as helpful, they're more likely to consider your services. You can then talk about their website and suggest improvements. Show them how adding a clear call to action or a phone number at the top can help convert more visitors into leads. Explain how even a small increase in leads can bring in more business. To charge $300 to $500 per month, focus on what happens after a lead comes in. Set up automations that text the lead as soon as they come in. This isn't hard to set up and adds value. By focusing on one main service and promoting it well, you can get many clients. Offer more services like lead generation later to charge even more. If you want to see a live sales call where I generate revenue and close clients, check out my video. This strategy is effective and can help you get many clients with a simple approach. When reaching out to businesses, they get cold calls, messages, and emails constantly. Everyone is trying to sell them something without offering value. They promise more leads, more appointments, or automations, but they don't really help. What works best is giving value up front. Teach them something new or show them what their competitors are doing. For example, during a sales call or presentation, make sure the business owner learns something new. This keeps you in their mind. Even if they don't need a website or more Google reviews right now, they'll remember you when they do need it. This cuts through the noise and makes you stand out. That's why our foot in the door strategy works so well. Here's an outreach message you can send to business owners. Hey, are you still open? I found a couple of things broken on your website. You can get their URL using the tool I mentioned, which extracts it from Google My Business. If they don't have a website, show them their competitors. Show them what bigger companies are doing and point out issues on their competitors' sites. This builds trust. For example, when I was looking for a chiropractor in XYZ city, I found something broken on their site. If they don't have a website, use a different message but keep them interested. This way, they are intrigued and more likely to listen to you. When you reach out to a business, start with, "Hey, are you still open?" Next say, "I actually fixed some things for you and rebuilt a couple of sections. Would it be okay if I send you a link to the new website in this email? Let me know if you like it." If you're contacting them through Facebook, Instagram, or a phone call, you can change the wording a bit to fit the situation, but keep the same basic idea. You might wonder what exactly to show them. Let's get into that. If you want to see how to get clients, check out our free course in the description. It includes client getting scripts, strategies, outreach DMs, and more, all for free. If you don't have a Highlevel account, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial using the link provided, and I'll give you access to everything everything: sales call recordings, extra services you can offer, how to sell those services, and how to charge high-ticket prices. Now, let's get back to the Go Highlevel website I mentioned. Once you have the website built, just add the client's logo. You can host it on a separate subdomain. This way, you can send them a link to the new site on the subdomain. It doesn't take much time for you. Once they agree, you just put their logo at the top. If you want to go a step further, you can also change some colors to match their branding. Then, send them the link to the homepage. By doing this, you're giving them something tangible. Everyone else is asking if they want more appointments, automations, or other services, but you are providing real value. You're saying, "I found something broken, and I fixed it for you." This makes them more likely to trust you and give feedback. Now, you have a much higher chance of getting a Zoom call with them. When you call and say, "Hi, this is Chase. I sent you that website," they'll remember you as the person who built an entire website for them without asking for anything up front. If they ask, "What's broken?" or "What's wrong?" you can explain it to them over the phone. Say something like, "Here's what's broken. I know in your industry you want more phone calls." This approach shows them that you understand their business needs and have already taken steps to help them improve. Everyone else is trying to sell them something without giving any value first. By fixing something and showing them the new website, you're providing immediate value. This builds trust and positions you as an expert. From there, they might have feedback. This is good because it opens up the conversation and gives you the chance to explain how you can help them further. You can show them how your improvements can lead to more phone calls, more leads, and better business outcomes. This approach is more effective than simply asking if they want more appointments or automations. You're showing them that you can deliver results. This method increases your chances of getting a Zoom call. Once they're on the call, you can discuss other services and how you can help them further. It's about building a relationship and providing value from the start. Remember, everyone else is trying to sell them something, but you're giving them something useful first. This sets you apart and makes you more memorable. It's a great way to cut through the noise and get their attention. This is why our foot-in-the-door strategy works so well. Do you want more potential customers to contact you? Most likely, yes. When they agree, you can suggest a simple strategy. Based on what I've observed, having a prominent phone number and a Call Us Now button at the top of your website can significantly increase leads. Also, when the phone number is easily visible and remains fixed, it tends to attract more inquiries. Similarly, placing a contact form in the top right corner encourages more people to fill it out. The issue with your website seems to be its low conversion rate of visitors into leads. Consider this: if you get 10 people visiting your site, improving your setup could potentially convert one more of them into a lead. How valuable would that extra lead be to you? It could lead to closing another project, especially if they are genuinely interested but struggle to find your contact details, a common problem in many industries. Many business owners overlook simple steps like prominently displaying their phone number, making it easy for potential customers to reach them. By addressing this and other improvements, you can differentiate yourself from competitors and provide immediate value. This can pave the way for discussing additional services during your conversations. For instance, after demonstrating how a small change can make a big impact, you can then explore broader services. Perhaps you could enhance their online presence by increasing their customer reviews or upgrading their website design. These improvements can help them compete more effectively in their industry. Ultimately, the goal is to help you stand out and attract more business. By focusing on practical changes and demonstrating the potential return on investment, you can turn initial interest into long-term partnerships. This approach not only enhances your credibility, but also positions you as a valuable partner in their business growth. Would you like to explore how these strategies can work for your specific needs? You're all the way down here with your 11 reviews. If we got you 20 or 30 more reviews, do you think you could compete with the top guys? Imagine what that could do for your revenue. They'll be more interested, and you can sell them on getting more Google reviews. Next, talk about automations. Ask, what do you do when a lead comes into your website? How fast do you call them? What's your lead response time? Now, you can sell them on additional services. We used to do website hosting for $150 per month just to keep a website live. Do you think it's hard for them to pay $200 or $300 per month for an automation that texts a lead as soon as they come in? No, it's not difficult. The biggest issue people have with Go Highlevel is promoting too many different services. Stick to one main service and promote that. If this was your main focus, you could get tons of clients with this strategy. Sell additional services on the back end. If you want to be really profitable, offer lead generation services later. Then, you can charge $1,000 to $2,500 a month or more. In summary, 1. Point out their low number of reviews. 2. Explain the benefits of having more reviews. 3. Discuss automations and their lead response time. 4. Start with one main service and promote it. 5. Upsell additional services later. 6. Consider lead generation services for higher monthly fees. 7. Watch a live sales call to see the process in action. This strategy helps you stand out by focusing on one main service, building building trust and gradually introducing additional services. By providing immediate value, you make it easier for clients to see the benefits and commit to your services. All these aspects and more are covered in detail within firstitool.com. If you're eager to learn more, our latest YouTube video provides a comprehensive overview of the process. We also have an extensive library of resources on YouTube that cover various elements of this strategy. However, the most efficient way to get started is by joining the Viral AI Clone program, which offers structured guidance and support. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. If you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation. Let's chat about how we can help you achieve your goals. Don't miss out. Book your spot now, and let's start creating amazing results together. Happy money making. See you next time. Bye.